Good afternoon, beautiful people, and let's hop right into this makeup get ready with me. Y'all are gonna be so proud of me because we are not going to be doing a little simple makeup look. We're gonna go all out on this makeup look. So y'all are finally getting the video that I promised that I would deserve. So I really hope that y'all enjoy this full beat me down. In today's topic of discussion, what show or movie universe would I like to live in? All right, y'all. So we're going to start off with the TV shows. So the first TV show universe that I would love to live in would have to be the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody or the Sweet Life on Deck. So growing up, the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody and the Sweet Life on Deck was one of my favorite shows as a kid, and honestly one of my favorite Disney Channel shows of all time. I think especially the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody is just such a great show, and in all honesty I think that the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody and On Deck environment would probably be very, very fun to live in, because especially in the show, everybody got along. Obviously everyone had their times where they were fighting and stuff, but typically everyone got along on that show, and everybody was involved. It wasn't just the main protagonist and then the secondary characters and all that. Everybody was involved, and I just feel like being around Zack and Cody, being around Maddie and London, and all the other great cast members would just be such a fun idea. It would be just such a fun time. Zack and Cody always doing their shenanigans and just always having fun. I feel like that would be such a fun time. Like that TV universe, I would be so happy to live in. It just seems like a lot of fun. On the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody and On Deck, I would just have fun with a lot of the characters, since I liked all the characters on the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody and On Deck. So honestly, it would just be such a fun universe. You're with your friends all the time. You are never ever bored. I mean, let's just be honest, Zack and Cody were never ever bored when they were in that hotel. Like, they were at home and they just made shenanigans, and it was just so freaking fun. Like, I would just love to have that with my friends. It would just be genuinely the best of times, you know what I mean? But yeah, y'all, that would be the first show universe that I would love to live into. Definitely the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody or Sweet Life on Deck. All right, y'all, so the second TV show universe that I would love to live in would have to be the Total Drama series. I know that is a cartoon, but it's honestly one of my favorite cartoons of all time. It's basically a parody of Survivor, actually, and I didn't know that. Well, I've known that for a few years, but didn't know it was from that show, and it was just such a unique show. So yeah, I would definitely have to go on Total Drama Island. Honestly, just being on the island with kids around your age and just having such a fun time doing shenanigans. I mean, the different challenges that you could win, and making new friends, and just really having that environment to be reckless and to be a kid or a teenager. Like, that sounds literally like such the dream for so many people. I know it's definitely the dream for me. But yeah, it just sounds like the dream for a lot of kids, especially like me. And honestly, I really some of my favorite characters from the Total Drama series, has to be Lindsay, Lashana, Trent, Justin, Owen, Noah, Tyler, even, even Duncan. Even though I know that Duncan's pretty controversial. I would also say Courtney as well, at least Courtney from the first season. The producers were wrong for messing up my girl's character. She was such a great character in season 1. I don't know what happened. But yeah, y'all. Total Drama seems like such a fun environment to be in. It just seems super duper fun, and it would just be amazing if I could be surrounded by, such great people and just, get to know them and, just have a lot of fun. So yeah, Total Drama Island has got to be the second show, movie universe that I would love to be in. Also, y'all, if y'all hear background noise, I am sorry. Just disregard that. My bad, y'all. All right, y'all. So going into movies, the first movie universe that I would love to partake in would definitely have to be the Cheetah Girls. So I literally love the Cheetah Girls so much. Like, literally the Cheetah Girls are the Cheetah Girls trilogy is one of my favorite movie trilogies. I'm not kidding. I was obsessed with those girls. I wanted to be like those girls. They were, some of the best singers, and they were just so amazing. And I was like, oh my gosh, like, I literally want to be just like them. They're just so freaking cool. And I was like, yeah, I definitely want to be like those girls. And they just traveled around the world, like, especially in Cheetah Girls 2, the most iconic movie. Like, they traveled around the world and, went to Barcelona, went to Spain, and all that. But yeah. So, oh, by the way, y'all, I'm using the Sephora blush in the color High Jealousy. Such a good blush. It is so pretty. But yeah, y'all, the Cheetah Girls definitely has to be one of the movie universes that I have got to live in, because it seems like such a fun universe. So the last movie or show universe that I would love to live in or be in has to be the Maze Runner movie trilogy. Oh my goodness. When I first watched Maze Runner, I was honestly so hyped because it was just a new movie concept that I've never really seen before. So, and I thought that it was just so cool that, a group of these kids are like coming together to defeat Wicked, and I was like, I really want to be a part of it. It looks so fun. Well, except, for the deaths and all those of like some of my favorite characters from the beginning. Still, it looked really fun. And, again, just being with so many great people, like literally, I said this for all of the movie trilogies and all that, but like the people just look so amazing, so great to be with, and it just looks so much fun, literally. So yeah, y'all. So yeah, definitely the Maze Runner trilogy series, definitely is the last movie universe that I would love to live in. All right, y'all. So we did a full face of makeup. We did a full face of makeup, or this is to me a full face of makeup. So what do we think? I think I put on way too much blush. Lord have mercy. But it's whatever. I haven't done a full face in a while, so I'm so excited to do a full face. So yeah. All right, y'all, that is it for this makeup look, and that is it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that y'all have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all next time. Bye, guys.